to have a permanent, successful life in paradise forever. And like I said, this earthly life is a test. This earthly life is the examination. What we shouldn't do is we shouldn't go to the negative nature of the free will, which is ignorance, arrogance, greed, anger, jealousy, hatred, because when someone enters the negative nature zone, this is also when Satan comes along and he encourages you to be more bad and more evil and more cruel and more mean to others. So this, God complex issue, it's basically based on arrogance and ignorance. And if you can let go of your arrogance and if you can let go of your ignorance, your ego, then you can open your heart to Islam, open your heart to Quran. Read the Quran with a language, read the Quran in a language that you understand with meaning. Check out this video, How the Bible Led Me to Islam by Yusha Evans. Check out Yusuf Estes' videos, Abdul Rahim Green videos, and they were all used to be non-Muslim, if I may respectfully say. And now, they, a long time ago, also Hamza Andrea Zotzis, all of them really good people have become Muslim long time ago because they found out that Islam is the truth. Yes, Islam is the truth from the Creator Allah. Islam is the correct guidance. Why Islam? Read the Quran English translation by M.S. Abdul Halim. Read the supporting books, Divine Reality by Hamza Andrea Zotzis. Also on trying to understand evolution is something separate. Darwinian theory of evolution is very weak. Read Signature in the Cell and Darwin's Doubt by Stephen Meyer, and also check out the YouTube channel Darwinian Delusions by Subur Ahmed, and you will understand that evolution is a separate thing. It's actually doesn't really matter. It's evolution, it actually has nothing to do with Islam, nothing to do with revelation. I mean, what I'm trying to say is, Islam is more important. Islam is really important. You see, we need Islam. That's right, we need Islam. We have been given free will, and without Islam, we will be lost, seriously. Also, I want to talk about quickly, you see, the Myanmar military slaughtered the Rohingya Muslims and threw Rohingya Muslim babies into the fire. And why did they do, how would someone do that, right? That's like a human wouldn't want to do that, right? That's what kind of a humans are they, the Myanmar military? But that's actually, it's more deeper. The problem is more deep-rooted. It's actually to do with Darwinian theory of evolution. Now, you see, Darwin, because of his origin of his species and basically random selection, is a random mutations or natural selection and all that. And some people have adopted the survival of the fittest theory from Darwinism. Darwinism. You see, Darwinism has become a religion, and I think there's a book called Religion Without Revelation by something Huxley. Anyway, Subur Ahmed talks about it more in his YouTube channel Darwinian Delusions. And so what you see, these Myanmar military and also the Chinese Communist Party and people like them in the past, present, and also in the future, they will be. They see themselves as lions. And so if you look at what lions do, basically the lions, hunt the deer and kill the deer and eat the deer whilst the deer is still alive, and obviously lion is a predator and the deer is not. And so, but that's the thing, we cannot apply this to the children of Adam because it's all incorrect. That's right. And when the Myanmar military was killing the Muslim babies, throwing them in the fire, and the Chinese Communist Party, Buddhist atheist regime, taking the Uyghur Muslims and putting them in concentration camps and seeing these Uyghur Muslims as basically treating them like animals and then killing them and selling their organs and all that stuff, and really treating them horribly, terribly. Again, they see themselves as lions, and Adolf Hitler, his army and generals, did the same thing when they, Auschwitz concentration camps, when they killed innocent Jewish children, women and men, and some cases shot them and some cases threw them in the fire. And again, they saw themselves as lions because basically